accent. Everyone else has
Where's
a
your
chance.
spoon?
This spoon's right here.
Put it in.
No, we're not putting it in. Put it in. We're gonna add the borax in with water.
I get a mess.
Just to make it just like slime. Mine is turning like slime already.
Mine is too.
O cabelo, Evan. Look your hair.
Look at your hair.
Well, we have to put.
Until it gets slimy. Just like yesterday we did. It was really fun. Our first time doing slime.
Evelyn,
If I can
your hair. Put it back.
Mine is great. Okay, mine is really like a light pink, but I don't have any pink in it anymore.
We have to put glitter.
Not yet, girl. Mine I'm ready to
Oh,
mix.
mommy, mine is turning slimier.
Yeah, put more borax. It makes it less sticky.